see these with a tuxedo, little prom action. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I know it's been a while, man. It's been a crazy week, but I got like 4 or 5 videos lined up of reviews, fire reviews. But today we gonna do the Joe Freshgoods Prom Blue joints. And out of the red and the blue, I went with the blue because I totally got too much red, but I really like that Paris red colorway. So if you don't know, Joe Freshgoods is from Chicago, and if you look at the Chicago flag, you get this prom blue, you get that Paris red. Also, the Chicago Bulls played around with those colors too, the baby blue with the red. I believe the Chicago Sky too, that Angela Reese played for, has that colorway too. But man, this shoe is sexy, man. And with the luxury and the colorway, this definitely can be rocked at a prom. I showed y'all the Joe Freshgoods intro, the Keisha Blue, the outro. I love all of them. I don't think nothing could really go to the Keisha Blue, but this is the closest we gonna get to that Keisha Blue look. New Balance been killing, man. Hit the B-roll. On the soundtrack. Just look how sexy this shoe is, guys. $220. I won the raffle, the EQL raffle. I just know $220 came out of my account, and I didn't know what for. I was hoping it was for them Kobe's, but I wasn't mad it was for these, man. And we've been talking too much. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you know we love presentation over here at Sneaker Notes. And I love when the box match the colorway of the sneaker. This is dope, man. You get a nice slick box, MB on it, big on the front, the New Balance logo. Made for us, big on the left side or the right. It's a rectangle. And the JFG Freshgoods on the other side. It reads lifestyle mode, newbalance.com. It says nothing about the colorway, guys. When you flip open the lid, it has that Apple product, hard to open seal. But you get this here, and we got these on like almost all the Joe Freshgoods lately. Telling you that New Balance been here for over 75 years, America, USA, all that good stuff. Under that, you get some Joe Freshgoods New Balance paper, but it's very, very, not a lot of paper, but it's paper here. And you do get the Prom Blue colorway shoelaces. I thought they came laced in it, but we'll get into it now. Boom. And here's a 360 view of the Joe Freshgoods 990 New Balance. I'll keep wanting to say powder blue because of the material. Prom Blue. Beautiful shoe, man. Only one color, well maybe two if you count the textures, but man, this is a beautiful shoe. So on the shoelace, you get the 990 logo there. That is the model, the 990V, I believe. Yeah, so that's the model. But that's not to be played with. That's like stainless steel, blue steel. That tab is dope. And the shoelaces does come in a powder blue. So I wonder why they give you another. I don't know, man. But let's get into the shoe. You got your mesh toe box that you usually see on every 990V. But in that prom blue, powder blue colorway is super dope. It gives you like gray vibes because of the texture. Around the toe box, y'all see that beautiful nubuck suede. That's why I keep wanting to say powder, but that's dope. And it give you the light to dark vibes too. Light to dark vibes. That's how you know it's premium, man. It's not that abrased like the Travis Scott Cactus 6. You get your little mud flap there, I like to call it. I don't know what's the sneaker version, but that's also in baby blue, guys. I love this silhouette. You get the New Balance logo there. It's also, oh no, it's hard, but it looks like it's nubuck, but it's like a hard material. These usually reflect. I'm not getting the reflect vibes on these, but very dope. Behind it, you get that mesh again, the same mesh you get on that toe box. Dope sneaker, guys. See how the blue mesh looks silver, but it's still the same color as the sneaker, guys, believe it or not. I like this. I love this model, guys. Like, it just looks comfortable, but it also looks luxurious. This is a dope look. Your tongue is mostly mesh also, but you do get the Joe Freshgoods New Balance logo on there, and a soft rubber material. Large tongue. Behind the tongue, you get the New Balance logo with your size. And let's get into the inside. The inside of the right shoe has the New Balance logo, and yeah, just New Balance. No Joe Freshgood on the right side. Let's get to the back. New Balance logo, and it looks like it says Fuel Cell. So that is the technology we getting for the bottom, for the comfort. Fuel Cell, guys. But this bottom is dope also. So on the left shoe, you get the Joe Freshgoods logo. On the right, you get the New Balance logo. I kind of knew that was going to happen. That's why I wanted to show you guys that. But nothing changed from left to right. You get the 990 logo in there also, letting you know what model it is. But the nubuck kind of covers it, but you can see it actually. The back of the shoe got the Joe Freshgood logo on the back. I like that logo, but it's some better Joe Freshgood logos. But I like that plain JFG there. A little bit of mesh pops up again around the sock liner, and you get a nice mesh sock liner, so you ain't got to worry about getting dirty with this light blue colorway. And both sneakers come with a New Balance tag, so if you're trying to spot fakes, both of them come with this New Balance tag here. It also says made for us under the Joe Freshgood logo. So let me show y'all both the back. Both of them have the JFG made for us on the back. It's just that the inside's changed. New Balance JFG. But everything else is the same. I see back here, I'll show y'all this one while I'm looking. It got the endurance, you know, the N New Balance for endurance. I like that look, like essence, sense. Very dope. Yes, sir. So let me know if y'all cop. I honestly, if I didn't win a raffle, I probably wouldn't have went to try to get this shoe. Joe Freshgoods always drop like at an odd time in my life that I'm doing something and I don't have the time to sit with the laptop. But this is a dope shoe, man. I'm happy to put it in my collection. I got rid of the intros. I still got the outro. The intro was the white. The black was the... I still got the black ones. But I really like these, man. I'm not going to no prom anytime soon. But, oh, yeah, it does reflect. The back does reflect. I just saw a little glimpse of it. But $220 was retail. Right now, you can get it on StockX or GOAT for under that, like $200. I seen something as low as $180. I don't know. I guess y'all offer Joe Freshgood and the New Balance collabs, but I don't know why, man. Especially with this one. This is dope, but a lot of sites did have this. I saw an in clothing raffle. I think I even seen a feature raffle. So a lot of different websites had this shoe. So I think a lot was made. But dope shoe, man. And if you could get it under retail, you're definitely gonna love it, man. Also, end cap on the back. Every time I look, I see different stuff. I remember the end cap when I did the Salih Benberry yogurt joints. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.